I've been using a Bitsgap trading bot for over 1 year now, but I haven't used any Bitsgap trading bots in the past month. In this video, we're going to be exploring why I don't use Bitsgap trading bots anymore. Is this a service I'm going to still continue to use, or if it's time to look for a different service in the current market conditions? As usual though, none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor.
Knowledge.
So if you know what Bitsgap is, I'm going to put a timeline down so you can forward through the video. If not, we'll do a quick explanation. Really, Bitsgap is a trading service where it has multiple different types of bots to utilize in your trading. There is a grid bot, which I typically use, which you set the levels and it will trade the price fluctuations in between. They also have a buy the dip bot, which means you can set the price range for when price falls. And they also have futures trading with other price plans if you want to use a shorting bot or a futures bot as well. Now, Bitsgap has decent pricing. The basic plan, which is what I have, $22 a month, you get 3 active grid bots and DCA bots. With the advanced plan, you also get the futures bot. It'll have trailing up and down for grid bots, and you can reinvest your profits in DCA bots. But I have the basic plan, so we're going off that right now. So let's review my bots that I was running that I stopped over the past month. So as we know, the current market and the crypto has been mooning up since it finally broke out this Bitcoin range. And that's the main reason I stopped using this bot. So we can see with my Bitcoin bot, I had it going for about 4 months and 15 days, and I had a 13% profit and loss, which is actually pretty solid considering when I started the bot. So when I started it, about $63,000, it fluctuated through the range, and I set the take profit at about $71,000. So through all this time, even during this portion, my bot was still making profits because it's trading up, trading down, trading up, trading down. And then when Bitcoin broke out, my bot stopped trading because it exited the range. So I had one on Bitcoin. On ADA, I had a 7% gain in a month, which is also pretty solid. You can see it exited my range. And then we also had an XRP bot. This had a 31% total profit and loss over 8 months, which is really solid because XRP, if we look at this area, was literally doing nothing for months. So to make a 30% gain of me doing nothing and sideways choppy price action was really solid in my opinion. So I made good gains over these bots, 31% gain, 7% gain, 13% gain on all these bots in a decent time period when the market was really doing nothing, when it was just chopping and consolidating for many, many months. So if I was making gains, why am I going to stop using the Bitsgap trading bots right now? It's really because the market has changed. Yes, Bitsgap will do great in sideways markets. The Bitcoin bot, you see the XRP bot, I had lots of transactions up and down through these gains. But in a bull market, which is what we're switching to, it's very unlikely any of these bots are going to outperform just buying and holding the token. So let's say I bought around here, XRP, I would have had a decent loss of about 30% at certain points, maybe even 40%. But if I bought and held during the same time period, right now, I'd be at a 350% gain just for buying and holding. Now, during this time, it would have been a large psychological barrier because that's many months, about a year, maybe even over a year, of nothing and even losing money. So in a bull market, buying and holding is going to be any type of trading bot you're going to use. It's going to be the same with ADA. You can see the chart right here. If I buy anywhere in this range, let's say even the top, I'd be at a 200% gain with ADA if I sold right now, right? Even the same with Bitcoin. It exited my range. Let's say even bought the top of the range, I would have had a 33% gain, and I had a 13% gain in over 4 months. So is Bitsgap a good trading bot? I still think it's a great service. I think it's almost foolproof because you just trade the price fluctuations. You can set the bottom of the range like I did on Bitcoin. But it's not, but in my personal opinion, this is not a bot to use in a bull run. You're going to outperform just buying and holding tokens and then selling at a decent time. But that doesn't mean I'm going to get rid of the service because Bitsgap now has shorting bots as well. And that's part of the futures trading plan. So that's the advanced plan, but I'm going to consider it once I feel the bull market is close to over. When it's time to start accumulating shorts position, I can use a shorts trading bot that uses shorts futures and also will buy some and sell some as well. So I can use this combo bot towards the end of the bull market, still make some money on the drawdown of the market, and hopefully make some returns utilizing that instead of just holding cash and then letting the cash sit there, getting like APY from the bank or something. So I'm going to keep the Bitsgap future bot, but for now, it's just going to be on hold. None of these bots, in my opinion, is going to beat just buying and holding some crypto, waiting 4, 5, 11 months, who knows how long this will last, and then just selling towards the end of the market. So if you still want a Bitsgap trading bot, it'll be worth it to try it out, get used to it, maybe towards the end of the market, then you can short like I'm planning on doing. But this is not financial advice. This is just my own portfolio. So I will put an affiliate link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. So is the Bitsgap Trading Bot still worth it? I think so. If you want a more detailed review of the Bitsgap Trading Bot, check out this video right here. Peace.